Today we have a question. Question is find the domain of the function fx equal to log x square minus 1 by x minus 2. To find the domain of this function, first of all, we should know the domain of logarithmic function, and we know that logarithmic domain of logarithmic function is open interval 0 to infinity, right? Therefore, we can write here x square minus 1 by x minus 2 is greater than 0, because domain of logarithmic function is 0 to infinity. Okay, now we factorize the numerator, and we get here what, x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2, and this is greater than 0. Now we use sign a scheme to find the possible values of x which satisfy the given this inequality. And before this, we find the critical points, and to find the critical point, we let the factors equals to 0, factors of numerator and denominator. So let here x plus 1 equals to 0, x minus 1 equals to 0, and x minus 2 equals to 0. For these critical points are minus 1, 1 and 2. Okay, x equals to minus 1, x equals to 1, and from this equation x equal to 2. We have these three critical points. Now we use sign scheme, means sign analysis, and thus we have here three critical points. We denote these points on number line. Here this is minus 1, this is 1, and here 2. Okay, we put a value of x less than minus 1 in given this inequality. If we put less than minus 1, means minus 2 in this inequality, what we will get, positive or negative? We should get here positive, then the values will be solution of this inequality. Okay, if we put x equals to minus 2, from this part, this interval is what, minus infinity to minus 1, this interval is minus 1 to 1, this interval is 1 to 2, and this interval is 2 to infinity. Okay, if we put from this interval minus 2 in this inequality, then the sign of value is minus 2, here negative, and this is also negative, and negative, positive, negative. Okay, means here it gives negative value. And if we put the values of x from this interval, put x equals to 0, then what we get? If we put 0 in this, then we get here a 1, here minus 1, negative, negative by negative, positive, means here we get positive. And if we put from this interval between 1 and 2, if we put x equals to 1 by 1.5, right, 1.5, then we get this is positive, this becomes positive, and this negative, means here we get negative, and alternate sign is changing, therefore here must be positive. Hence x belongs to where? X belongs to, we should get positive value, means greater than 0. So we write x belongs to minus 1 to 1 union 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity, because if we are putting the values of x from these intervals, then this inequality satisfies. Okay, hence domain of fx is what, minus 1 to 1 union 2 to infinity. This is the required domain. This is the required domain of given function. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much for watching.